GCE, Security in Action. GCE, Simply Safe. Welcome to GCE, a leading global supplier of gas welding and cutting equipment. In this video, we will focus on the use of safety devices to minimize the consequences of dangerous flashbacks when operating gas cutting and welding equipment. When oxygen is mixed with a fuel gas, it produces a flame with a very high temperature. This flame has the ability to heat, cut and weld different materials depending on the fuel gas used. The gases are mixed together and finally the gas mixture is ignited at the torch nozzle. A flashback is a flame that travels back through the torch and into the gas supply system. A flashback can start with a backfire, which means that the flame burns back into the torch head with a sharp bang. In itself, a backfire is harmless, but it can be a warning of a defect in the equipment or the gas supply. For example, the wrong pressure settings. The flashback can cause an explosion in the hose with the potential to injure or kill the operator. If the flashback travels back through the regulator and into the gas cylinders, then this can cause an explosion with devastating results. The main causes of flashback are insufficient gas pressure reaching the nozzle, overheated nozzles, and blockage within the nozzle. To get the highest possible level of protection, GCE recommends that Safeguard 5 is always fitted to the outlet of the regulators, and that Safeguard 2 is fitted to the inlets of the torch. The GCE Safeguard 2 has two levels of protection. Firstly, a sintered flame arresting element to quench the flame, and secondly, a non-return valve to prevent the reverse flow of gas. The Flashback Arrestor Safeguard 5 is GCE's newest and most comprehensive product to date. The Safeguard 5 provides the maximum level of protection as defined by the European and international standards. It has all of the functions defined on the standard EN 730-2, including the feature of a pressure-sensitive cutoff valve that stops the flow of gas in case of a pressure increase. The cutoff valve is activated by the pressure wave that accompanies a flashback. In addition to these safety features, the Safeguard 5 incorporates a highly visible reset mechanism to advise when the unit is ready for use and indicates even at a distance when the cutoff valve has been activated. These GCE safety devices will provide many years of safe service when fitted in accordance to the user instructions. They will provide full protection against the wide variety of problems that can occur when using oxygen fuel equipment. GCE flashback arrestors are supplied with a 2-year standard warranty period and have a 5-year service life from the date of installation. To maintain the highest possible safety, GCE recommends that the flashback arrestor's functions are tested every 6 months. Using the GCE test equipment, it's possible to test all types of GCE flashback arrestors. Tests should be carried out as external testing in an authorized workshop. GCE, Simply Safe. GCE, Security in Action.